You won't believe it what you can get for $1 from Aliexpress. This kind of product. And what is it? What do you think? What it says in the title? 18650 battery DIY power bank case, charge storage box, dual USB Type-C, Android, micro USB, fast for iPhone, Xiaomi, Samsung, for whatever phone you want. So basically it's a DIY power bank and it's very easy to install and use it. For $1 from AliExpress. Oh, I needed to have, and that's why I ordered it. And of course I got it. Oh, no bubbles. Never mind. Okay, let's see this power bank case for around $1 from AliExpress. Okay. Oh, we have the instruction manual how to install the 18650 batteries and to be careful on the polarity, which is very important. Ah, take a look at this. I love transparent. Ah, take a look at this transparent window so you can see the electronics. You know that I want transparent windows so you can see the integrated chips, the USB ports. Also, this is the battery level meter that it shows 25%, 50, 75 and 100%, and we have only one on-off button on the side, and we have two USB Type A ports, and we have two ports for charging the power bank using a micro USB, which is nice, that is the older port, and the Type C port for charging. Beautiful. This power bank can hold 3 18650 batteries. The link for this product will be in description below. And by the way, if you are looking for the best deals on AliExpress, I got some exclusive discount codes for both US and global shoppers to help you save some serious cash. And don't pay the full price. Grab your promo code from the links in description below and start some savings. Okay, just check the description below. This DIY power bank take a look. It's an NTC sensor for temperature overheating control, and that's why this power bank is better than others, because it have some kind of protection, which is nice. And what it says in description, it says that the input is 5 volts 2 amperes for charging. The output also on the both ports it's 5 volts 2 amperes. It can collect 3 18650 batteries, and the batteries are not included. You need to buy or maybe use some old ones. Color black, size 24 millimeters by 77 by 88 millimeters. Weight of the case is 55 grams. And also you have installation steps how to insert the batteries. Please be careful on the polarity. And here I have 3 18650 batteries. These are pulled out from old laptop battery, and these are fine. We have the positive and the negative. Here it is, the spring for the negative side, and we're gonna insert it just like this. The second one and the third one. Beautiful. And for the NTC temperature sensor, I'm gonna set it right here and add some tape so it can stay in the place. Beautiful. I like that temperature safety function. And now I'm gonna attach the back lid. take a look how easy it is to make your own DIY power bank. Just inserting the 18650 batteries and you are ready to go. Power on, and yes, 100% it says. I need to mention one more time, I love these transparent details. Alright, time for testing now. Oh, I cannot touch it right away. And what it says? 5.1 volt. Let's see the other one. Also, and let's see with how much current is charging the power bank. I'm gonna use the type C, plug in, and what it says? 4.9 volt, 1.5 amperes. Beautiful. In the meanwhile, the 100% icon is flashing, meaning that it's almost full. Beautiful. Alright. Here I have my electronic load. It's on and is set on 2 amperes. I'm gonna hit to run. The fan starts working and it's pulling 2 amperes. Beautiful. That means that the power bank is giving the right current. I'm gonna try the next port. Power on. Yes, 5 volts, 2 amperes. The power bank is doing a great job. Alright. And take a look. Also I'm using my USB test meter or USB doctor and it's reading 5 volts, 2 amperes or around 10 watts. On the electronic load the voltage little bit drop. I know that is normal. 4.8 volts, 2 amperes. Nice. Let's connect to the smartphone. Yes, of course it's charging. 4.7, 4.8, 1.3 amperes. Beautiful. So for a very cheap price you can do your own DIY power bank using some 18650 batteries. Maybe you will use older ones or maybe new ones, but it's perfect. The size of this power bank is perfect. To mention one more time, the link for buying this thing will be in the description below, and also you can use the discount codes that are provided and make some savings. Alright, that was all for today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!